Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Okoli Emmanuel and I'm going to be showing you quickly something very practical, how you can get clients from um, Facebook. In fact, I teach a lot of people how you can prospect irrespective of what you're selling, whether you're a sales agent for insurance or you sell land or you sell your personal product and all. So I want to show you real quickly how you can get prospects from the online space. Now, this is a very practical session. I want to use a case study of what just happened 5 to 10 minutes ago. Okay, now today's date is the 23rd of October. It's a Thursday, October 23, 2025. So I was in the office, in our office. I want to use insurance as an example, right? So I was at the office a few 2 days ago on Tuesday, which is 21st. Yeah, today is 23, and we made a video. I did the editing afterwards, and I created something that all of our financial advisors, like sales agents, can use, right? So I mean, most times when you see some videos, you're not able to use them because somebody else's number is there. So I felt like, you know what, let's create something that everybody can use and put their number out there and all. Anyways, fire extinguisher. This is the video. Some of you already have seen this video before now. I did it so that every other person can use it and do their adverts.
In good time when you expire, they use money to replace them, but you also they pray make you don't use it. However, the day where you need, you go thank God say you get her.
Anyway, so this video was made and I shared it to for my team. Some of my people are watching this video right now. So now I posted this video on my WhatsApp status. Please follow the sequence because I want to do a case study right now on my WhatsApp status. I'll redo it now because I mean it has expired because WhatsApp status lasts for just barely 24 hours, I believe. Yeah. Now I connected my WhatsApp status to my Facebook story. I believe you know what I mean. Your WhatsApp status, if you are using WhatsApp Business, I believe can be connected to what's your Facebook story. Okay. Yeah. So I want to show you that real quickly. Okay, so if you look at it, that's actually expired, but I will show you how I did it. You see, can you see this? It says your story got 48 views before it expired. You can create a new story. Now this story was not posted on Facebook. I'm on Facebook right now. It was posted on WhatsApp. Let me show you how I did it and linked my WhatsApp status to my Facebook story. By the way, I'm sure you know what Facebook story means. Facebook story basically is all of these things you see here on Facebook, right? This part of your screen on Facebook where you see people doing all kind of stuff, you know, like this. You know, these are Facebook. So anyways, what did I do? Let me go back to WhatsApp. Now follow me carefully. Now that's my WhatsApp. Yeah, so I posted. Okay, yeah, I'm right here. Is that a place? Okay, good. Okay, this is a practical video, so follow me carefully. On my setting, on the I'm currently on this point. Look at the bottom of my screen here. Then I'm going here, top right. Okay, you see, I go to settings. Okay, so at the top right, like I said, you come to your status privacy. Then you go down to where you have share my status updates across my account. Okay, so I've already done it, so I don't need to undo it. You put on this button, put it on. That means whenever you post anything on your WhatsApp status, automatically it goes to your Facebook stories at the same time. Anyways, that's, by the way, that's not the purpose of this. That's not the main purpose of this video. So I believe you understand what I mean. So now let me do what I did. Let me redo it now. So I'm on WhatsApp status right now. I want to create a new status. I click on this. I'll go to, this is my gallery. I'm looking for that video. Let me repeat the process exactly. This is the video. This one here. Good. I want to post it. Now look at the bottom of the screen. Look at the bottom of the screen. You see it says it is going to go to my status, excluding 2 people. I blocked 2 persons from seeing my status, plus Facebook. So it's going to my Facebook, stories at the same time. Anyways, let me just put something here. Send a DM. Send a DM now. Okay, send a DM now. Good. So as it is uploading, it will also upload on Facebook story, right? So fast forward to Facebook. Fast forward to Facebook. Now it will come here. For time's sake, I'm not gonna wait. But I'm showing you what has already happened. So like I said earlier, I did what I'm doing now before, and it just ended 24 hours after. And here is what the report says. Your last story got 48 views. Okay, now I posted that video. I did that video in the office 2 days ago, like I said, on Tuesday, and I posted it I think yesterday or so. Then I got people started seeing the video on my Facebook status, WhatsApp status, and Facebook story at the same time. Then I just saw a message. Let me show you on Messenger. Okay, Messenger. Good. I saw this notification on Messenger. At about, what time is this? Wednesday, 10:20. As you can see here, Wednesday, 10:24 p.m. Right? I posted this on Wednesday afternoon or so. Yeah, by night I got this message. Tell me more. Tell me about insurance policy. By the way, the video was about insurance policy. Tell me about insurance policy. This is my phone number. You can WhatsApp me to tell me about insurance policy. Okay, I said, okay, fine. Good evening. Okay, let me reach you on WhatsApp. Then I went to WhatsApp because he gave me a number already. I went to WhatsApp and began to chat with him. I want to show you exactly what I did with him. All right. Now, this is him. That's yesterday, as you can see here. Yesterday. Okay. Good. So I say hello, good evening. Then he said, thank you. This is automatic message. I hope your work is fine. Tell me about insurance. Same guy, the same person. Then I started talking. See what I said.
Okay. Good evening, Pastor Friday. My name is Okoli Emmanuel, and I'm the team lead at Heirs Insurance Lagos Central Region. That coordinates our digital campaigns and content. Yeah, marketing. Yeah. Insurance is okay. Is that I should tell you about insurance policy. Okay, let me just break this down in very simple terms. What actually insurance means? Insurance is just about.
Anyways, I just went on to explain what insurance is. They say, tell me more.
If you have seen some supermarkets catching fire, like
explain, like I just explain, and I sent a document to him. We got talking. Now, good. This guy, I don't even know him, right? But when I saw this voice, I was surprised. He said he knows me. He knows me. Has been following me on Facebook for a long time. By the way, I've told you that there are many people on Facebook who are just observing you. They will not buy anything from you, but one day they will reach out. If you stay consistent, one day they will reach out to you. Let me see what he said. I saw there's one of my books. I have a number of books I've created on marketing and related matters on business. So mainly ebooks, right? So this guy bought, from what he said, I now realize that he has been in one of my funnels in the past, but I don't know him as a person. So he said he bought one of my books 3 years ago. That should be in 2022. Because he said it's last year, but it's not last year. That book, what he said happened 3 years ago in 2022. Now, so he bought the book and then he created. I sold about 800 copies of that book. I began selling the book for 1,000 naira at the time. I moved it to 4,000 naira. So, but I've sold a total of about 800 copies so far of the book. Anyways, the book is about how to make ebooks and how to monetize your knowledge and all that kind of thing. So he bought the book and then he said he tried to ask me some questions, but I did not answer him. Maybe it was my DM and maybe he just left it. But though he made the book, but he could not sell his own. Anyways, my joy is that I did not offend him. I did not I did not cheat him, or I did not betray the trust or whatever. Otherwise, he cannot be buying from me now. See what he said.
Well, you mean nothing. Remember, last year,
let me.
I was able to design. I have confidence in you because I've done business with you before. Or you may not say. Last year, last year. We are it's business introducing, which I also added you up on Facebook like this. it's something like, I don't know if it's a selling of is it making or selling of both.
Anyways, so to make, I mean, he not last year. It's 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago now. Anyways, that's by the way. The point is that he has had an encounter with me. If it was a bad encounter, he will not even come to my DM or ask me for anything. Okay, so he said he has confidence in me because he had done something with me before in the past. He bought one of my products, my digital products, and all. Anyways, so we got talking.
So, now, what should I do now? Like, how can I invest?
Okay, so after that, I explained to him it's not like investment is actually. Anyways, I began to explain the products for him. He asked me some. Anyways, we got talking. I explained. He asked if we were in Abuja. I told him yes, we're in Abuja, but I mean, I can do everything for him 100% online. Blah blah blah. He asked a few questions. I answered them. I gave him a form.
So you start creating the account for me. What does it take for me to have my own account?
Okay. What does it take to have an account? I gave him the form to fill immediately. I started talking to him about his own business, right? I started encouraging him about his own business, and all. Shared with me. I asked him what he does because at this point I wanted to show interest in what he does, not just what I want him to do for me, as in buying what I'm selling. I want to know what he's doing so I can possibly support him. Let me share with you what I said. No, not here. Here.
Eventually, things get better. I believe 100% things are going to get better. In fact, most people who start this insurance policy, they start it by faith. I have some people who are doing 1.4 every quarter, 400, 500 every month. I have people who are doing 20 every month. In fact, I recommend minimum of 20 personally. Okay. So to have your own account, I'll give you the form like I said right now. Just fill it and send back to me. In 30 minutes or less, your account is ready.
Anyways, so yeah, we got talking. I showed him and all in Abuja, and then he was very passionate. Let me just show you the last thing he sent before I stopped this video. So he said to me that, you know what, he really wants to do he don't want to do this because, but can I give him like 7 days to get the money down, or should he create the account first and foremost? Long story made short, I said to him, you can create the account now, then pay, get the money and pay in 7 days. But he doesn't have his NIM and a few items with him. He said, okay, I should not worry, that he assures me that he must open his account. That this for him is a prayer answer. Like he was thinking about insurance last week. Let me play it for you.
Thanks. But I'm sure you say, I must open this insurance because I don't think it in my mind. I don't define now. See, even last month, it just come my mind. Don't reason now. Okay. My dad didn't even get insurance for us. We will be the children. This thing will not make sense. Let me say, look for this insurance for something reason. I'm going to go now the next week now. Well, the next month, which is today now. Me and everybody talk about this insurance. So I got the radio now. Just marked that day. This is why I just tell you so. Everything will be set by then. It's going to discuss something is that.
Okay. As you can see, one client's gone. One client gotten rather. Sorry, and then he just wants to get his NIM and other details and fill this form and send back to me. Then in 7 days he will get the money and pay for his first premium. Now this is done 100% online. I'm in my house right now, in my room right now, and he came to me via content creation. So this video is basically about the power of content creation and social media, right? If you do it right and you do your call to actions right, you know how to link your WhatsApp to Facebook and Instagram and whatever, and then you are bring them back to WhatsApp, and then you close your business, close your deals. It's just like automation in some ways. So I hope this video helps somebody else out there who is wondering how they can get prospects. Whether you are selling land or you're selling insurance, the principles are the same. You have to keep making content, strategic content. All of this began by that video content I shared about what is insurance. By the way, I'm doing a series of videos that I captured. Insurance be like waiting. So I have about 20 videos in that direction that I made for my people in the insurance industry, so they can also use it and put their phone number there and all. So share content. It must not be your content, right? Your personally generated content. It can be any content of value that explains things in details, and then people can see it and they reach out to you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button on this channel, and you get my next video that can help you get more clients or more prospects and close more deals using your phone and some simple social media and digital tools.